Okay, 8th grade. For this lesson, we're going to be going over comparing and ordering real numbers. And just so that way you guys know, we will be using the calculator today. We're going to rely on it very heavily. Okay, so when we talk about comparing and ordering numbers, there are a few things I do want you to know. Okay, I want us to know the term, so we're going to be working on vocabulary. I want us to know the term of ascending. I want us to know the term of descending. So ascending is increasing. If we're talking about the number line, we're going to the right. If we're talking about descending, we are decreasing or going down. And if we are talking about a number line, we're going to the left when we decrease. Okay. So again, we have ascending, meaning increasing, descending, which is decreasing, and it's going to the left. Ascending is going to the right, and this is for a number line. If you need a visual image, I have an escalator right here, and we are going up. For descending, I'm going to put another escalator, and we are going down. With that being said, because we are comparing and ordering real numbers, if you remember real numbers are all irrational, they are all rational, they are all integers, whole, and natural. So we have all the numbers all over the number line, all types. With that being said, 8th grade, I have a special asterisk right here. This means that this is important. If possible, all numbers need to be converted into a decimal. Okay. So if possible, all numbers need to be in a decimal. This is to help you guys order them. Okay. All right. So guys, because we have to convert everything to a decimal, I need us to know how to convert a fraction to a decimal. So here I have a calculator tip. Why? Because all fractions are not equal. Sometimes you might get 1/2. We know 1/2 is 0.50 or 5/10 or 50 cents. We know that 1/4 is 25 cents or 0.25 or 25 hundredths. But like I said, we're going to have to convert even the most difficult fractions. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do, which is why I need you guys to use your calculator. So on my screen here, I want us to look right here at the calculator, right? What I want you to do is go to Scratchpad, calculate, which is A. And right here, if you remember, fraction means the same thing as to divide. So again, the fraction bar means to divide. So if I were to tell you guys, I want you to find me the decimal value for 1 divided by 2 in your calculator, you would think, okay, well, let me do this. 1 divided by 2. Then you're going to press enter. Oh, well, man, I got another fraction. I don't want a fraction. So the way you do this is by pressing 1 divided by 2 and then press Control Enter. Bam. There is our decimal, 0.5. So guys, I want to us to, again, convert all fractions to decimals. And to do so, remember, type fraction, that's step 1. So for instance, 1 divided by 2. Step 2 is going to be press Control and enter. And that will produce your answer. Okay? So let's practice that then. So I have 1/2 done. Let's do another one. Let's say if I wanted 11 over 13. Following these steps, I'm going to press 11 divided by 13. And again, we're not pressing enter, we're pressing Control enter. And we get 0.846154. Okay. Let's do another one together. What about if I wanted to put 27 over 7? Well, that doesn't look right, but you know what? It's still a fraction. It is an improper fraction. So same thing. You're going to type 22 divided by, or I'm sorry, 27. So go back. 27 divided by 7, then press Control enter. 3.85714. Let's practice another one. What about if I picked 71 divided by 83? Okay. Again, type in 71 divided by 83, press Control and then enter, and we get 0.855422. Now, we did 4 problems together. Okay? Now, the reason we did 4 is because when come test time, you're going to have to put numbers in order, either from least to greatest or greatest to least, in ascending form or descending form. So guys, right here, if I were to ask you guys, out of these 4 values, starting from least to greatest, least to greatest, which is our smallest number? And we can look at all these decimal values. Well, that's 3, so this is the biggest. I can tell right off the back. But the smallest, I'm going to have to say, is 0.5. And I know that because once I look at my ones place, there's 3 of them. If I look in my tenths place, I have 588. 5 is the smallest. Then I have 0.84. Then I have 0.855. And again, these are all positive, so knowing that 0.5 is my smallest, I'm going to put 1/2. My next smallest number, I'm going to look at these 2. Well, 0 and 0 are the same. 8 and 8 are the same. But then I have 5 and 4. Well, between these 2, the 4 is smaller. So I actually am going to write 11 over 13 is my next smallest. 71 over 83 is my next smallest. And my largest number is 27 over 7. Our goal is to be able to do this and make it here. And again, It may be from least to greatest. It could be from greatest to least. Okay? All right, guys, next we're going to practice converting a mixed number to a decimal. And a mixed number is this here. We have a whole number and then a fraction. And the way you say it is going to be 7 and 2/5. In mathematics, this and represents a plus sign. So on the calculator, the way we have to enter it in is the way we say it. So again, in the calculator, okay, so we're going to have to type it in the way we say it. Calculator tip, this is very important. First, you're going to type the whole number, 7. Then you're going to press plus, because remember, and is plus. Then you're going to type the fraction, 2 divided by 5, and then press Control Enter. Okay. And when you do that, let's look on our calculator side. I have 7 plus 2 divided by 5, Control Enter, I get 7.4. So 7 and 2/5 is 7 and 4/10, or 7.4. Alright, I'm going to write a couple more down, and then I'm going to come back and we're going to work them together. Alright, I did write 3 more problems down. 9 and 7/5, 3 and 6/7, and then 2 and 1/9. So let's practice typing in 9 and 7/5. So on the calculator, 9 plus 7 divided by 5 and then Control Enter. We get 10.4. The next one, 3 and 6/7. So that means 3 plus 6 divided by 7, Control Enter. We get 3.85714. The last one we have, 2 and 1/9. So 2 plus 1 divided by 9, Control Enter. We get 2.11111 and so on. Okay? So guys, that is it. All you have to do now on your own is go through the Nearpod and just keep in mind, convert everything to a decimal. If you need additional help, send me an email and I'll look and I'll help you. Okay? So again, this is all you really need. I have your calculator tips for both fractions to decimals, and then I also have from a mixed number to a decimal. In class, it looks a little bit different. This is what our paper looked like in class. Okay? So I hope this helps y'all. If you have questions, please ask. I'm here for you. I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks. Bye-bye.